So I'm gonna show you how you can get ultra super powered buffs to put on yourself, and I've put really high jump boost, and let's see what happens. Yo, this goes way too high. Oh my goodness, that actually never gets old. I'm gonna show you how to do that. Okay, first things first, welcome back to another command block tutorial, and except there are no command blocks. It's just that small of a command and super simple and really easy to learn that anyone can do it. And what first thing you have to do is to effect, oh my goodness, if I can spell, give, and then your name or whatever identity you want. I'll show you how to do that in another episode of a command block tutorial on how you can affect certain entities, but today we're just gonna do yourself. So yourself and whatever you want, whatever effect you want. I'm gonna say absorption because that's really good to showcase in a survival matter. So I'm gonna do absorption. Now you type in how long you want it. So I'm gonna say this many seconds, maybe 1000 seconds, and the amplifier is how like, you know, what level the the effect is. So I'm gonna, the max is actually 250. If you go over, it'll turn red, and yeah. So if I do that, then quickly go into survival, which is simple. You can see all those hearts. And then, yeah, you're never gonna die like this, and yeah, that's how you affect yourself in survival mode. And yeah, that's it. So anyways guys, thanks for watching this command block, except it wasn't command block video, and this one is really short. It was really simple. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.